Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can install MySQL database on your computer. So open your browser and browse through this website dev.mysql.com download/installer. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description so you can go through the description and click and head over to this and click on the last no thanks just download. See here my MySQL install has been downloaded, and what I did is I double clicked on it and the installation process gets started. So just like any other software, you need to click next means follow the instructions what it is showing there. See here MySQL installer, and I want full installation, so check full and click on next and then click on execute. So all these internal files gets installed on my computer. See here MySQL workbench, all are them completed and I need to click next. Okay, again click on next. Yeah, see here the port and everything, there are default fields, so you need to no need to change them, you need to just click on next. Okay, click on next and see here root password and repeat password. You can give like MySQL root password as root only. See, I'll just ROT root, and yeah, here this password you can keep anything. For now I just kept as 1234. You can keep your password as of your choice. Windows service name, okay, MySQL 80, okay, that's fine. Click on next and see here yes grant full permission. You need to check that radio button and click on next and then click on execute here. See execute. So all this will take a bit of time, and once it is finished you need to click on finish. Yeah, click on next now, and all these values are filled. You need to click on just finish and next, and you need to repeat the password here, the same password what you have given earlier 1234, and click on check. Yes, connection successful. Yeah, root and the password, yes, everything is fine. You need to click on next and see click on execute now, and the process is checking if there are any features installed that need configuration. So it is just checking the process. Just we need to click on next as finished. So for now, workbench MySQL workbench has been successfully installed on my computer. See here the command prompt is open, and this is the MySQL workbench look and feel. This is where I can run or execute my MySQL commands here. So just check for the description. I'll drop the description where you can download. And now one more thing we need to do is we need to download sample database. For now we have installed MySQL workbench. Now I'll show you how you can download sample database. So open your Google search or any search and search for download sample classic models for MySQL. So what I'll do is I'll drop this link in the description also, and see here you can click on download MySQL sample database. Okay, click and download that. Yeah, download this file. Once the download is completed, we need to open workbench. See here, this is on my download folder. We need to open MySQL. See, it is in compressed. Okay, that folder only. Yes, my sample SQL database. Yes, this is what I have just downloaded. I need to open workbench and import this downloaded database to the workbench. So I'm opening my SQL workbench here, and I need to give the password. What I gave is 1234. I just entering that and click on OK. So this gets opened. My SQL workbench gets opened, and once it is opened I need to connect this downloaded data base sample database. For that I need to click on the server option at top. Yeah, database, no, yes, database, connect to database, and host name is there, port is no need to change anything. Okay, click on OK. Everything is fine, and it is asking me to enter the password. I need to click on the enter the password and click on OK, and I need to just click on server, then click on data import, because we need to import the database what we have just downloaded. So click on data import. So now the process is to connect our database to the MySQL workbench. So I'm doing that process now. Yeah, server, data import, and import from self-contained file, and this is the my computer file. So what I'll do is I'll head over to my downloads folder and I'll go to my sample database what I have just downloaded. I'll import that. Once I import that, I'll just select default target schema. Yeah, default target schema, name of the schema to be created, classic models. Yes, I just gave a name classic models and just click on OK. And now scroll down so that you'll see an option called, okay, you need to click on import progress and click on import, and now again you need to click on import again. So yes, the process is started and has been completed. See here. So for this step, until this step, we have installed MySQL Workbench, and also we have downloaded sample database, and using MySQL Workbench we have imported this downloaded database to our workbench. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just use two commands to check whether everything is working fine. I'll just use show tables command on the MySQL workbench command prompt area, so that if it is working fine, all my MySQL installation has been successfully completed. So I'll just all the commands should be in the lowercase letter. See here, this is the editor area. Okay, these are the schemas, administration schemas, and these are all the schemas. See, classic models what I have imported here are showing here. What I'll do is I'll just try to test some commands. Yeah, use classic model. See, everything I'm keeping it in small letters, and the statement should end with semicolon. Semicolon, see here. Yes, the command is use classic models semicolon, then you can give enter, and that is the option for execute. That is the option for execute. And now you can just use show tables and complete with the colon and click on execute. Click on execute, and if it shows you the table, the success, see here, the tables has been shown here. So all the installation process is